We created our garden as a space to relax, to recharge our batteries, and to enjoy life. It's an open-ended project that we can both work on and enjoy together and pour our creativity and passion into. It's a space where we can find inspiration or de-stress in privacy after a busy day. The garden is constantly changing. We're always adding new bits and pieces and working on special touches to make the garden personal to us. We've filled it with plants that thrive in each space. Hostas and evergreens that love the shade, succulents and alpines for the rock garden, and pollen-rich plants in the sun to attract wildlife. There are lots of special touches so our pets can enjoy being outside with us. We've added a doggy window for Ramsey, and the cats have lots of hidey places. Clive loves to lord over us from his cat balcony, whilst Poppy soaks up the sun on the stones. We love getting our hands dirty, and it's so satisfying watching your plant thrive. We love planting from seed and watching them grow and flourish through the seasons. The curves of the garden and the vertical elements help the space feel bigger than it is. At the start of summer, we added the water fountain to bring the soft sound of running water into the garden. And we get lots of visits from local birds and bees who add their own song to the garden and who are a joy to watch. It took us nearly a year to transform a concrete patio into a space we can all enjoy. It brings us great peace and happiness to spend time together as a family.